everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are doing an unboxing video of my new makeup ring light, my Diva light. I'm very excited. You can see me really bright because my light is super, it's my new light. It has super high intensity, which I'm really enjoying. Maybe it's kind of too much, but I'm enjoying it. So I will be showing you everything, unboxing to assembling and how the light works, everything. So if you're interested, please keep watching. So here my beauty light just arrived. I'm so excited because I have been waiting for this for such a long time, and finally I have my own beauty ring light. Anwar is helping me to unpack the light. There's a lot of things to unpack. So this is the light, and probably what's in there, I don't know. Maybe the stand. Yes, so this is the small stand. I supposed to get two different stands, so one long about 7 feet one, and this is the small one. And also there will be some filters. I'm supposed to have two different filters. I'm checking if everything arrived properly. Oh, I'm so excited. So far everything looks good, and now it's time to assemble everything properly. I think I need a manual. I have a paper here, so this might help me to see how to attach everything all together. So this is how my makeup ring light actually looks like. So in this part I just didn't fix it to let you see how it looks inside. So this is the light. So now I have fixed all the parts. So this is the white light, and here I have the mount where I can fix my phone or camera. It is universal for any camera or phone. You can fix here, and you can move it. Actually you can move it the way you want. So I got these filters which will provide me warm light, so I can interchange between white and warm, and also I can mix and match them. You can do the way you want. I really like the fact that I have two different filters, because sometimes I really prefer warm lighting and sometimes all I want is just white lighting. And this one is the stand, the long stand, 7 feet light stand, and there are two different stands that I got here. So this light is 18-inch, and I like the fact how big it is, so the light actually spreads very nicely. I actually didn't open it all the way, but you can make it up till 7 feet. And there is another one which is the mini light stand, so that's the smaller one. See the small one. So there are two different options. This mini light stand is also helpful when I'm sitting on a chair or somewhere, and then I can fix it in the table. It comes with a power adapter and also a big bag to carry the whole lighting system. So basically this is the bag where I can carry everything in here, and this is very convenient. So I got this light from GTAphotostudio, and here comes a paper where they have all their Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. So guys, now we will test out the light. It's morning, but it's dark outside, it's gloomy, and I'm going to test the light, how it works. So let's see. Let's switch on. Well, so this is the absolute minimum amount of intensity, and we will try gradually increase the intensity and see how far it goes. Okay, so let's do it. So I'm brightening it up. Oh, that's a lot. This is the maximum intensity and it's too much. We are going to go down again. So there's a controller in the lower part of this light, so you can basically adjust the amount of light you need. see how my face color is changing. This is my iPhone that I'm fixing on the mount, so actually I also have to adjust the camera. Well, we can always adjust the amount of light that we need. So you can see now it makes a huge difference, and it's actually a very important tool for making your YouTube videos, because when we are doing makeup and all those stuff, we need really bright light to make the makeup visible on the camera, because otherwise it's kind of really tough. And when you have this light, you don't have to worry about the daylight, or you know why I was thinking that I will be filming more in the daylights these days, but the weather is changing so much that even in the morning it's so gloomy and dark that I cannot do videos all the time that I want. But with this light I can totally do it, whether it's night or morning, it doesn't matter. So this is the white light that we tested, and now we're going to try the warm light. So basically now what I'm doing, I am changing the white. I'll not change everything altogether. I'm just taking one of the warm filters and see how much difference it makes. And it's pretty easy, you can change it. I have now 3 white and 1 warm light. You can see that it makes a big difference. Sometimes when you want more warmer color on your videos, like it's not a makeup video, suppose we are just having chit chat or want a cozy environment, I think this warm light is just fantastic. So I'm changing all of the 4, and let's see how does it work. So guys, now I have changed it to all warm. All 4 sections are warm now. Let's have a look. So now this is all warm light. You can see it's pretty nice. So you can mix and match or just have only the warm light according to your choice. But this light actually goes from very down, very low to very, very high. But you know what? There may be more to learn about this lighting system, because this is new to me, and so far what I have understood I have showed you. What I have realized that there is a diffuser as well that you have to put over this ring, so the light diffuses and falls on the face very softly. So I need that one. The price for this ring light is 160 Canadian dollar plus $20 tax, so total I had to pay $180. But what I have got for this price, I'm really impressed. This is working great for me. So from the store that I got this light is from GTAphotostudio, and the physical store is in Toronto, but I purchased it online from them, and it arrived in 2 to 3 days, quite fast. The service was good. They have all the instructions in YouTube, and they have the address. They provide a paper, as I said already, that provides a paper where they have all their social media addresses, so you can go through their YouTube if you have problem assembling it. So what I think I miss here is a remote, if that works, and also a diffuser. Otherwise it's all good. I'm happy with my new purchase. Before purchasing this light, I went through Amazon, I went through AliExpress, and there are different price range, like from very low to very high. You can even buy light for like $45, but then you have to check what you're getting for that, because those, the cheaper ones, they don't have like the size is smaller. Actually for a beauty channel you need a bigger, you know, a light which spreads more. So 18-inch is just perfect to my opinion. And also you have to check that you have different sizes of the stands, so it works in the table, it works in the floor, everywhere that you want, and it's not heavy at all. I can move it anywhere very easily. So overall I'm impressed with it. I will link down below all the description, all the links, so you can go through from where I bought it. I hope you really enjoyed watching my unboxing video and also watching how the light actually works. So that's it for today. See you in my next video. Bye.